Yay! Good to see you. What up? Dude, that dirt session's got me. What's your name? Eric?
Yeah. Jordan.
Jordan, nice to meet you. Eric, cool. That little dirt thing, dude, I'm over here looking at dirt bikes and like adventure bikes. Dude, that's so much fun. First time I went this way, I got lost. It was like so foggy, dude.
Oh, you don't even have GPS, huh?
No, hell no. I go old school, dude. I look at the mountain and I see the peak and I line it up with a stick right there and boom. Welcome back to 21 Moto. We're going to the annual Ride Around The Blok event put on by Riders Block. Mike over there does a great job with this event. It's gonna be my first time attending it. I'm so stoked. So just met up with the rest of the guys in the San Diego Groms group. Yes, let's go. Let's go. Dun, dun, dun. We made it. Jerseys are sick. Nice. Huh? Those jerseys are freaking sick, dude. That's awesome. All right, we're getting ready to take off. Everybody's here. Woo! Woo! Look at all these bikes. Crazy. Oh my gosh. Look at this guy. Oh my gosh.
parking lot festival.
All right, that was a fun ride. I unfortunately ran out of battery, so I couldn't continue the trip. I ended up dipping out around like the Mira Mesa area. And anyway, we're going to tally up the miles that we put on the Grom this adventure because I did a lot of other riding the same day. We put on 113 miles. Let's jump into the spreadsheet real quick. I'll show you guys the Bitcoin that we bought and how much it ended up becoming. So we rode for 113 miles, and at 113 miles times 21 cents, that means that we had to buy $23.73 worth of Bitcoin. And the price at the time was $62,767.30. That was the price of Bitcoin when I bought it, right after I got home from riding. And I was able to accumulate 0.00037457 Bitcoin, or you can also say that we accumulated 37,457 Satoshis. So far, based on this ride, we've put 636 miles on the Grom. If we had just saved the savings in dollars, we would still need 26,507 miles to break even. But since we took that value and we put it into Bitcoin instead, the value of those savings is increasing over time, and therefore making our savings per mile grow. Even between the time when I rode the bike here and today when I'm actually editing it, today is the 17th, I've gained a couple of bucks, $1 or $2 here, just on that purchase, right? And the first purchase that we did when we started this channel, after the first couple rides, we bought Bitcoin to cover the $66 miles we put on the Grom. We invested $13.73, and that $13.73 has now grown to $15.77. Okay, so we take that additional value, right? And now the formula changes, because instead of needing 26,507 miles to break even, we only need 26,443 miles to break even. Okay, so theoretically, even if I stop riding the Grom altogether right now, eventually, as the price of Bitcoin goes up, the miles to break even will continue to go down. And then not only will the Grom pay for itself, right, but the savings I'm getting from riding the Grom and saving that savings into Bitcoin, that money could serve to buy me the next bike too, right? It's pretty crazy. Okay, total Bitcoin we bought for this last ride, for the 113 miles, we added 113 miles, and I put the total Bitcoin we got right here. So 113 miles, and it's 0.00037457 Bitcoin, or 37,457 Satoshis. Okay, remember, a Satoshi is like a penny is to the dollar. Okay, so you need 100 pennies to make a dollar. You need 100 million Satoshis to make a Bitcoin. Okay, all right. For the whole total miles that we put on the Grom so far, as of this episode, we put on 636 miles, and we've accumulated for the whole show so far, for the whole experiment, 0.002162228 Bitcoin. In other words, 216,228 Satoshis. Okay, and remember, Satoshi is a fraction of a Bitcoin. Okay, and they're cheap, guys, right now. At the price of today, which is, what is today? 67,947. You can buy about 13 Satoshis for a penny, right? Or you can buy about, 1,400 Satoshis for $1. So get them while they're cheap. Okay. If you need help figuring out how to buy Bitcoin, how to set that up, I have a different channel where I only talk about Bitcoin every day. I do a Monday through Friday show live at 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, where I buy Bitcoin online, and you guys can see me buy that Bitcoin. I talk about what Bitcoin is, and if you have any questions about Bitcoin, how to save it, how to buy it, how to store it, any questions at all, tune into that show, and I can help you guys start to grasp and understand. And it's a fun little thing that we like to do. Shout out to Mike over at Riders Blok. The event was super fun, and it was chaos, but it was cool. It's a crazy experience. Hey, let's try something real quick. If you've made it all the way to the end of the video, leave a comment in the chat that includes the number 21. All right, boys, hit that subscribe button. And if you want to learn more about Bitcoin, check out my other channel. It's called The Stack Sats Show. Check it out. Go subscribe and watch this video next because I think you're going to like it. I'll see you over there. Let's go.